Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done as the levels of resistance that I talked about got the break. So a beautiful, just technical breakout here and that much more momentum. So what first thing I need to do is a little house cleaning. Sure, these levels that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into next week, $50.30 is what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would definitely be if the price could stay above 50.30. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, if the price could actually stay above that level, that would definitely be a very impressive sign of power. Looking at things from more of a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $50.30 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance going forward? Well, really, because we're at essentially all-time highs, I mean, nothing fancy behind this at all other than where the party essentially stopped today. And that was right here around, give or take, we'll call it the $51 mark. How high did it actually go today? Went as high as $51.05. So if you want to call it $51.05, that's fine. But 51 to me seems as though the key battleground going forward. But what matters the most is what the price has already been doing. And that is this right here, just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.